Although I've had quite a few suggestions from people about what to plant in the tin bath, I still can't make my mind up. So what I'm going to do is just go with a mixture. Rather than just having one thing planted in that quite large tin bath, we might as well put a mix of different things in and take small harvests from each one. So let's go and pop a few bits and bobs in it right now. So first off, I'm going to start off with some of these, and I'm going to put them all the way around the edge of this planter, and they're the Snowball Onions that we put in trays, and as you can see they're now starting to get the little green shoots on top. So let's get some of them in there, and we're just going to push them in to the same depth as what they come out of the tray. So we've got a few onions in there now, and now we'll go and grab something else. I've also got 3 of those cauliflowers left, so let's put them in as well, because these are shallow rooted plants as well. So we'll put one in centre, and we'll get that buried in nice and deep. And we'll pop another one in just here as well, and again nice and deep. And then we'll do the same on the other side. So far we've got that, and we've still got plenty of room to pop a few more things in. We've got some good sized spinach plants left as well, so we might as well pop these in too. I'm just going to finish it off with a couple of these outdoor tomato plants. So as the salad leaves become exhausted and die back, these can carry on growing. We're going to plant these deep as well, because if you see all the little hairs on the stem, that they will turn into roots if you bury them below the soil, and that'll make a really strong plant. So there we go, all done, and we've got a nice mixture of different things in there. The onions can grow quite happy on the outside of this container. We'll harvest the salad as it comes, and then we'll see what happens with these little tomato plants as we go through season. So although we didn't actually go just for one variety of vegetable in that tin bath, we decided to put a mix in, and we basically created a miniature garden within a miniature garden. And it'd be interesting to see what happens with those tomato plants, especially as they grow. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you for all your suggestions yesterday as well. And if you want to see what happens with this container garden as we go through the season, then please just hit the subscribe button and press the notifications bell, and I'll see you on the next video. You all take care. Thank you.